The New Jersey Supreme Court will hear oral arguments Wednesday in the fight over Governor Phil Murphy's controversial and unconstitutional plan to borrow $10 billion to balance the state budget. We caught up earlier with one of the plaintiffs, Assemblyman Hal Wirths from Sussex County, to find out more about the case.
Yeah, the lawsuit, we're very excited. We filed it with the Superior Court. It was immediately picked up by the state Supreme Court, I think that day, and moved into their jurisdiction. There's very strict clause in the Constitution that says that you can't borrow and bond for operating expenses. Both Governor Murphy and the Democrats have ignored the legality of it and moved ahead anyway to bond over $10 billion to pay for the present budget and next year's budget. The Constitution clearly states it's illegal to borrow for operating expenses, and that's exactly what Governor Murphy and the Democrats are doing here.
Wirths pointed out that Governor Murphy has used less than 10% of the $2.4 billion allotted to New Jersey from the federal COVID-19 aid during the crisis.
We haven't even spent the majority of the federal money towards the pandemic. The governor has that. I don't know what he's doing, whether hoarding it or trying to save it for other expenses. But that money should have gone out to the counties and the municipalities. Two of the counties that I represent didn't get a penny of that federal CARES Act money, and it's up to his discretion to send that on to the rural counties, and to date we haven't gotten any of it. There's many things he could have done on the cost cutting and the revenue side, not to put us in this position where we're going to owe for 35 years tens of billions of dollars in interest. Is absurd.